Hello everyone! Welcome to Mount Ulap! I hope you enjoy the view!
J-type siya. Yan, ang ayun. Isa pa. Uy! Ang daming high nito, hindi naman makakit.
Okay, so sorry na, tumigil muna ako because isinama ko talaga ang aming mga conversations dahil wala namang chismis dyan na nangyari. Wala lang, I would like to share to you ang aming journey sa pagpunta dyan sa Mount Ulap. So wala lang, naisipan namin magkapatid umakyat sa Mount Ulap dahil stress na kami sa buhay. Wala lang. So yun, wala lang. Kita niyo naman, right? Super hard umakyat.
Mag-11 hours po kami. Sorry na. Sa tour guide namin.
O, di ba? Para kami nakakape. Actually, ang totoo niyan, nagmerienda muna kami before kami umakyat. It's actually recommended na kumain ng breakfast or merienda before umakyat because mahirap siya. Actually, ang sabi ng tour guide,
Hello.
it takes a regular hiker 4 hours to hike and trek Mount Ulap. So, yun yung mga batidong hikers talaga. Pero pag ikaw or ako, just like me, ano ko lang, hindi ako nag-exercise or minimal exercise lang ako. Tapos, nag-hike ako bigla ng ganyang mountain. Although I was a hiker before. Pero yung for a very long time, for about a year or two, hindi ako nag-hike. Tapos biglang nag-hike, medyo mahirap siya for me. We actually took it ng sister ko ng 5.5 hours. Yun. So, medyo sumobra kami ng 1.5 hour from the regular hikers. Pero kasi ano yun, may kasamang eating time, resting time, videography, photography, ganyan. We actually were able to take 100 photos and 20 videos, something like that. Yun. So, yun. And a lot of shouting, and a lot of laughing. Yun, yung mga kasama. So, that explains kung bakit medyo mahaba-haba ang aming hike. Pero, sabi naman ng guide, sabi ng tour guide, actually, meron din mga super babagal din talaga mag-hike. Like yung mga old or yung mga young, pero hindi talaga physically strong or hindi talaga hikers. Ayun, they actually took the hike down ng mga about 8 hours, yung iba 10 hours, yung iba 12 hours, ganun. So, medyo ano pa rin pala kami, panalo. Lamang pa rin kami. Ayun. So, wala lang. In-enjoy lang namin siya. It's so enjoyable and I hope you enjoy the view. I could only take what I can talaga when I was there. Talagang yung kaya ko lang na videohan and picturean, yun lang yung kaya, yun lang yung pinuposan ko because there are areas and parts din na mahirap talaga. Medyo slippery, tapos sandy, tapos muddy, ganyan. Although when we went there, it was a very good weather. You can see it's sunny. Umaaraw siya. Not much of ulap. May fog, pero hindi much ulap. And may konting ambon for about 5 minutes. Umampon siya for about 5 minutes. Pero tumigil din siya agad. So, we really enjoyed yung aming paglalakad, yung aming pagka-hike. And I hope na in the future, you guys can go there. And if gusto niyo malaman kung paano kayo pumunta doon, I will share here. So, madali lang for us. What we did was, nag-DIY kami because my sister, ang aking kasama dyan, went there the second time. So, nakapunta na siya dyan before, when she was younger. And so, alam na niya kung paano pumunta doon through commute. So, ang DIY na ginawa namin is, syempre sumakay kami ng jeep from our house papuntang Baguio Center Mall. Or Magsaysay, ganyan. Sa likod ng Baguio Center Mall, you will see Lacandula Street. Or actually, sa likod ng Baguio Center Mall, you will see Orion Drugstore. Sa likod ng Orion Drugstore, may Shoppers Lane. In between Orion Drugstore and Shoppers Lane, meron doon street. That's what we call it. I think mistaken. Doon yung paradahan ng mga jeepney papuntang Itogon. So, you should search in particular yung biyaheng Ampukaw, Itogon, Benguet. Para hindi kayo maligaw. Maligaw because meron namang pabalik na jeep. Para lang kayo mag-road trip. Pero, syempre, sayang ang biyahe if papunta lang kayo tapos babalik din kayo just because mali yung sinakay ng jeep. So, please make sure you look for the jeep na may tatak na Ampukaw. Or if hindi kayo sure, you can ask the driver before you even ride. Para sure, diba? Tanungin, Ampukaw ba ito? Ampukaw po ba ito? Mga ganyan. Kasi mga pasaheros, they're also helpful. Yung mga taong doon, they're helpful naman. They tell you kung tama yung sinasakyan yung jeep. Okay? So, fare rate is 50 to 60 pesos. When we went there, 55 pesos ang fare per person. Ayan. So, sinabi ko namin sa driver, we will go to Mount Ulap.
Ano na sila?
So, ganun ang gawin nyo. Just sabihin nyo lang, Mount Ulap po mapuntahan namin, Ampukaw, ganyan. Alam naman na nila yon kasi marami ng turistang pumupunta doon and even locals. Maraming mountaineers talaga ang nag-unwind sa Mount Ulap. So, hindi po tayo maliligaw because maraming nakakaalam sa place na yun. Okay. And syempre, pagkababa nyo sa Mount Ulap, sa Ampukaw, ituturo sa inyo kung saan kayo dapat pumunta muna because may required po sila na environmental fee. Which is I think 30 pesos per head, if I'm not mistaken. Halo-halo kasi binayaran ko doon eh. Ang isa pang required na bayaran doon is a tour guide fee. Required po tayo magkaroon ng tour guide whether it's our first time, second time, or third time onwards. Tulad ng kapatid ko, second time na niya. Pero, required pa rin na kumuha, I should say, bayad ng tour guide. Tour guide is 700 per group. Ayun, so we were a group of 2. So yung pangatlo, yun yung tour guide namin. She's actually a student, nagpa-part-time siya mag-tour guide. And so I was so fulfilled to pay the 700 kasi feeling ko nakakatulong ako sa isang estudyante nagpa-part-time. Ayun, so feeling ko na naman mabait ako. But anyway, I hope na hindi natin makita as pricey lang or super taas naman ang bayad na ito or something because we don't know, we never know kung ang ating binibigay ng pera is something that will help, something that will make someone smile or happy or will buy someone's food on the table. O, diba? So, I hope na when you go there, wag po tayo magulat and we'll be generous enough to pay for this one. Okay? So, yun. Pero actually, may naalala ko kasi munti kami maligaw one time. Before kami actually sumakay ng jeep papuntang Ampukaw, we were advised na sumakay kami ng Felix Mines na jeep sa baba ng SM, GovPac yata yun. But we were advised na hindi daw dapat doon because if we ride that jeepney na papuntang Felix Mines, dadaan siya sa Ampukaw, Itogon, Benguet. Pero, ang fare rate will be higher it will be the same as those who will be going sa Felix Mines. Okay? So, suggestion talaga nila, if Mount Ulap ang pupuntahan, isa lang ang sasakyan, yung papuntang Ampugaw sa Lacandula Street. This is the street between Orion Drugstore and Shoppers Lane. Ayun. So, I hope na maging makapal ang mukha natin ang magtanong so that hindi tayo maligaw. Alright? So yun lang aking i-share pag, for the DIY. Pagdating nyo naman, if you have already started hiking, wala naman masyadong i-guide na doon kasi you will be walking with your tour guide.
Alright, video time.
Yun. So, video time nga. So, most of the time, wala lang. Enjoy lang. Hiking lang. I remembered
Weather, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Favor.
I remembered na
Ang bilis
when we went there,
bilis niya makaakyat ah. Grabe, ang tarik naman yan ah.
yeah, when we went there, may mga matatarik na areas. So, hindi ko na-videohan yung areas na yung mga yun.
Okay.
Because I needed to focus sa trek. Or else, gumulong ako pababa na parang malaking bola. So, but I hope that I was able to take so much that you can see most, if not 100%, 80% of the beauty of Mount Ulap. So, I hope you enjoy it. There's one thing that I would like to share for those who are having their day hike. Meron din palang camping. Pwede rin palang mag-camping doon as long as you like. May bayad lang. So you have to advise the barangay hall if you desire na mag-camping doon. Kasi may requirements din sila. May mga rules, may house rules, and may mga requirements when it comes to camping. Ayan. So, pero hopefully, if you go there na mag-camping, hopefully you do it during the summer. Kasi tag-ulan. Tag-ulan kasi most likely super lamig sa gabi and super mahangin. So, we don't know what will happen to you. Pero, it's up to you. Bahala kayo. Basta pwede mag-camping doon. And also, pwede rin pwede rin kumain bumili doon. May mga stores din doon. I've noticed when we went there. Doon kami bumili ng additional water. Although meron kaming baon. Nagbaan kami ng water, nagbaan kami ng merienda, nagbaan kami ng rice and ulam. Nagbaan kami rice and ulam, chichirya, ganyan. Pero, naubusan kaming water So, napabili tuloy kami dun sa store doon ng water. Meron sila actually. Nagtitinda silang mga drinks and food, rice and ulam, chichirya, merienda, like turon, malagkit, mga ganyan. Mga drinks, energy drinks, ganyan. Or coffee, 3-in-1 coffee, ganyan. Meron silang mga dalang hot water, din kaya mga hot thermos, ganyan. Hot thermos, doble-doble. Medyo pricey nga lang because hindi nila bahay yon. So, kumbaga, iniakyat nila in the morning and then ibababa din nila in the evening if hindi na food. So, syempre, yung mga food until stocks last. Yun. Medyo pricey, pero din. Parang yung water ata, we bought it for about 35 pesos. Parang ganun yung 20 na water. Something like that. So, medyo may batang mga 10 or 15, something like that. Pero, okay lang din.
Sayaw ka ng konti. Dapat
Okay lang din naman.
At least umamin ka, di ba?
Yan mo na yung
Lahat ini na. Ayan, akyat pa more. My gosh, ang taas pala. Ang taas pala niya.
Natawa naman ako sa tawa ko dito. So I hope you enjoy. And I hope you can come here, if not now, in the future, so you can experience in person how beautiful and how breathtaking and basta how how relaxing and relieving your beauty and the breeze dito sa Mount Ulap, Tukaw, Itogon, Benguet to be exact. And so syempre, first stop, if you're not from Baguio, if you're not from Benguet, syempre, unang-una yung pupuntahan should be here in Baguio City. And if you're here in Baguio City, malapit na kayo. So, come on. Try and hike. Enjoy! Thank you!
Nagkahiyaan pa kayo. Because I love the view of the green gold. Yes.
Papaps pa naman ako.
Wait lang. Nagbo-vlog ako eh. Nagbo-vlog. Gusto ko talagang just wanna take this in my life. Tapos ang background mo talaga white. Okay. Liwanag. Kunin mo na ako. Wait lang naman. Nagpo-vlog ako. Wala pang 1 minute itong video ko. Insurmountable. Ayan, nag-aantayan magpapapicture day. Picture daw ang gusto niya day. so tired. But, this is it. That's it.
Traverse pala yung word. So, coming back, kasi almost ending ang aking video. Please bear with my voice. Ayan, I just would like to explain yung pababa na yan. Ang tamang term din is traverse for hikers, for mountaineers. Medyo mahirap talaga yung traverse. Most of the traverse parts, yung mga parts na kailangan i-traverse, hindi ko nakuhanan ng video because it's sandy, it's stony, yung may maliliit na mga bato, it's slippery. Yun, delikado siya na baka isang mali ko lang will lead me to ano lang, mahulog, ganyan. Mahulog sa maling tao. Hindi. Di bale na mahulog sa maling tao, basta hindi dyan. Because ano siya, if mahulog po tayo dyan, most likely we will die. Ganon. Kasi mataas yung pagkakahulugan. And ano siya, ganyan pababa, super pababa. So if halimbawa nadulas and outbalance na nahulog, ganyan, and gumulong na parang bola, para pa naman akong bola. If halimbawa gumulong ako na parang bola, tendency will, you know, the falling will kill me. Ganon. So actually merong mga nadulas. Luckily, hindi naman sila gumulong. Pero, nagka-fracture sa paa, ganyan. Anong tawag doon? May tawag doon na dislocate or na, basta, na ano yung joint sa ankle area ng kanilang legs. Sa ankle area. Ano ba yun? Yun. So, I hope that when you go there, you will be careful. Actually, ang suggestion sa amin is, if in the next time we will go there, kasi it will be our
flat pang mga trek.
second time po, ganyan, okay din na pabaliktad. Reverse yung pag-akyat. So, mag-start sa Santa Fe na umakyat, and then babalik at doon sa entrance ng Mount Ulap sa Ampukaw, bababa. Ganon. Hindi ko alam kung may imagine yun, pero basta ganon. Basta ganon yung
Trekking lang talaga.
suggestion sa akin na if I will desire to redo this. And I would love to redo this kasi it's really enjoyable.
Pero hindi sobrang
I
ganun.
would love to. It's a good exercise. It's a good way to unwind. It's a good way to gain friends as well. And syempre,
Great.
to just enjoy the beauty of nature. So I hope you enjoyed and hope you will come dito in the future. Yun lang. Thank you for the last time. Bye!
Medyo light na to. Maka-light no? Light na ito. Mga day. Dali lang umakyat. Tapos, after the bahay, simental na. Ayan na ang simento. Simento. Yes. Hindi mo 2 minutes ko nang binibideo ito. Totoo ba? Hanggang sa pagdating. Yay!